Hey, this is Daryl Henry with Insurance for Entrepreneurs, and this video is what construction businesses should expect from their insurance renewals in 2025. Full blog post is on my website at insuranceforentrepreneurs.net. I'm going to hit some of the high points on what you should be expecting. First off, property insurance. If you own buildings, if you're carrying a builder's risk, I'm going to be watching which parts of the region are considered to be wind prone or catastrophic prone, because there's a big difference in insurance companies' minds how much money they're going to ask for from regions that are prone to storms, prone to earthquakes, prone to wildfires, and ones that aren't. It's been a very tough line of business for the insurance industry over the last 5 years, and the risks that are in areas they like better are going to get lower increases. The ones that are in areas they don't like are going to get larger increases with higher deductibles. But the thing is, the insurance industry has not agreed on what a weather pattern looks like. So it could be different for everybody. It's going to be different region by region. Going to have to watch it case by case. Second, I'm going to be watching for insurance companies to be very selective on riskier classes of business, like roofers, anything that has to do with water, riskier products. There are some troubling trends in the insurance industry where there are companies that are investing in lawsuits. And in particular, I'm looking for product-related lawsuits as it pertains to contractors, home builders, that type of thing, where there's a big firm goes and a homeowner or a business owner that may not have sued otherwise is now going to get the financial backing of a large institution to sue. And this is driving up claims, it's driving up costs. And what reinsurance companies are telling insurance companies is that the only way to make the number of large lawsuits go down is to offer less insurance. So I'm expecting insurance companies to offer less insurance in 2025. I'm also looking for firms to continue to invest in cybersecurity. Look, the number of ransomware attacks continues to increase year over year. It's not going to get smaller. Large firms are selling the code to smaller firms who are spamming it out in email, and it's easier now because of AI. It's just going to continue to be important to invest in your cybersecurity infrastructure and make sure your people know what ransomware looks like, and continue to manage that risk. Auto safety is also going to be really, really important. This is a line of coverage that has not made money for the insurance industry. And so projections are that rate increases are going to be between 10 to 15%. And that's for good ones. So the companies that have had less good claims experience, it's going to be more than that. It could get very expensive. And the way insurance companies are going to decide who to offer insurance to are going to be the companies that have good housekeeping practices, driver selection, driver training, onboarding, vehicle maintenance, and behavior management, tracking how people are driving the vehicles. So it's going to be very important for businesses to really lean into fleet safety, because it can make a big difference on renewals. And lastly, if you've been a profitable organization for the insurance company on workers' compensation, it's going to be a good year to negotiate on that. Insurance companies have made money on workers' compensation, which means there's more competition, which means rates are being pushed down. Even though medical inflation's up, the competition is there to keep costs down, keep rates down on the workers' compensation. So that's the line of coverage I'm expecting to negotiate on to try and offset increases on some other lines of coverage. If that was helpful, or thanks for listening. Look, if you want the whole blog post, it's at my website, insuranceforentrepreneurs.net. If that was helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Helps other people find me and find the content. And if you want to get in touch with me, my contact information is on the channel page. It's also on my website at insuranceforentrepreneurs.net. I'm Daryl Henry with Insurance for Entrepreneurs. Go build something great.